Hit the spot to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, my lovely arts and crafts and graphics this morning. Basically, to hit the spot is to hit the center of the target, to actually be on target for what it is that you want to provide or serve for the people that you serve as you're supersizing and growing your business. This is one of those idioms and expressions that has been around since the mid 1800s, although it was made very, very popular in the 1930s and 40s through a Pepsi jingle. It was Pepsi Cola hits the spot, 12 full ounces, that's a lot. And that jingle was around for about 20 years, and it made the expression hit the spot, hits the spot, really, really popular. It also shifted the meaning of it a little bit. The hit the spot has always meant to please or to satisfy extremely well. It's a slang American term, again, and it means to be very effective, to be exactly what is needed. So, for example, it can, to satisfy hunger, for example, you would say, oh, that hamburger hit the spot, or oh, that banana cream pie really hit the spot, because your sweet tooth wanted a little bit of stimulation. So how do we use this to supersize and grow our business? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Are we satisfying the different stakeholders that are involved in helping us grow and build our business? Are we, number one, first and foremost, taking care of our, and this is going to sound selfish, but our own needs and desires and wants as it comes to building and supersizing and growing our business? Are we creating together the business that we want to create? So that means, are we satisfied with the outcomes and the things that we're doing? And is it satisfying and hitting the spot for us? Is it hitting the spot for the people that are helping us build that business? Our suppliers, our vendors, our teammates, our employees, whatever you call the people that are involved in your business with you. Is everybody getting what they need? Is it hitting the spot and satisfying their needs, wants, and desires? Now, I say we give people what they want and desire, and then, well, we sell them what they want and desire, but we actually make sure we give them what they need in order to be successful. This is true of all of the players that are involved in our organization, as well as, and especially, our customers and our teammates, the people that are building the business with us. Are they getting what they need, as well as then on top of that, are we selling them and providing for them what they want and desire most in the business? And it's different for a lot of us. I mean, what we want and desire out of our businesses and what hits our spot might be slightly different, but normally we're attracting a group of people that have a similar spot that we're trying to hit. If that makes sense, I think it probably does. But are we hitting the spot of our ideal customer? And if so, share in the comments below, how are you doing that? How are you making sure that you're hitting the spot of your customers? Are you looking at just sales and end results, or are you speaking and engaging with your customers to know what their needs and desires are and continually be satisfying those? Do you have a formal way of doing that, or do you just do it informally? I'm reading a book by a gentleman that once a month he randomly picks 10 people from his email list, and he has a 15-minute Zoom call with them, because, you know, we're using technology these days since COVID, and asks them, you know, what are they doing? How are they enjoying the products and services that they're delivering or using from the company? And how can they do it better, etc. They just have a conversation about that. It does a couple of things. It allows the business owner to stay in touch with the people that are actually consuming their products and services. I used to do that with in the food industry. I had an Italian food manufacturing business, and I would actually go to the stores every once in a while and do the demos myself. You know, in the grocery industry, I haven't done it since COVID, but you used to be able to go into a store and you could taste and sample and try different foods. And I would go periodically and participate and do that, hand out the food, so I could talk directly to the people that were actually consuming our products and services, so I could find out what they liked, what they didn't like. Learned a lot. That was probably the PhD in customer service, was actually talking to and engaging with real live customers, people that do consume your product, and then people that don't as well, so you can find out, well, what about your product or service do they not like, and why do they not? Or do they just not like you? Some people just didn't like me, so they didn't buy our Italian food. So share in the comments below one way that you hit the spot of your ideal customers, and we will learn from one another. Any questions, comments, concerns? Love to know what you think about this particular idiom. I like it. I'm sure I've said, oh, that hit the spot about a pizza sandwich or something, or a particular dessert, because every once in a while I like desserts, anything with caramel, right? So have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting emotion-related idiom for this segment for the month of February. Just a couple more days on those, and then we will switch over to mental. March is mental. Mindset and mental idioms and expressions for the month of March. All right, have an awesome day. I'll be with you tomorrow.